TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We get the Dow Industrials down 93. NASDAQ is off 21. S&Ps are off 6.5. Gold is flat out there at 11.85. Silver is up a penny at 16.68. Oil down 72 at 47.97. Oil just continues lower. Bonds. The bond market's going to release a lot of information for us in the next few days, folks. We have the 10-year up 3 ticks at 128.23. 30-year up 5 at 163.19. Now, both of those are coming into the downdraft from February 6th. So we'll see how it handles that downdraft. King dollar. King dollar's up 574 ticks, trading out at the 98.85 level. That's going to need more juice. That's got 30,000 contracts right now on the way up. You get euro down 103 at 107.31. Now, let's go over the S&Ps first. So if we take a look at the SPY, what you have is this. What the SPY has done is this. Yesterday, you go up on light volume. Today, I suspect what you're going to see is that, we're down 0.74 right now. I suspect what you're going to have is light volume on the way down. What we've done thus far at the open is that we've come into the gap from yesterday. The market had gapped up yesterday. I expect what you're going to see that filled. It's going to be filled on lighter volume. This bounce is not over yet, meaning, and the aspect of window dressing. The last 2 days of the month, following 2 days of the new month. And in particular, what we have, folks, is that this is, we're closed Good Friday. Basically, somehow they're going to jam this thing higher into Thursday. I think next Monday, that's where you're going to see some problems in this marketplace. If we go over to the NDX 100, we take a look at the 3 Qs. What you have with the 3 Qs, same type of setup. 3 Qs yesterday, no juice top side. What we had is that we had a 30 million going against 41 million. And what I expect you're going to see out here today, you're going to see us back down with less than that. The 3 Qs, as they opened this morning, almost filled the gap. The Qs got to 106.02. It's 105.45. 105.77, that would fill that gap up. Now, gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, folks, gold looks like it's setting up a nice ABC structure on the way up. What we've done is this. It's a 78-point A to B structure. Gold, first off, had rejected lower price, had lighter volume. Goes topside, has the juice topside, meaning at the 1220 area. Pull down. What we have going to have out today, we're going to have a lower low. We're going to have lighter volume. So what you have A to B structure set up. You have the volume characteristic set up. That would give you a price target of 1256. What gold will need as it approaches the 1220 area is that you're going to need some good juice inside that contract, meaning more than 113,000 contracts. I'm going to switch right there and go right to King Dollar, and then we'll do the bonds. The reason being is this. King Dollar, the correlation is direct. What you have out here today, which is really neat, is that they haven't been able to whack gold, and King Dollar is up 544 ticks, but guess what? No juice behind the move. King Dollar is going into 102,000 contracts. We've done 31,000 contracts. It's trying to test out this 99.46 level. We've hit 99.00. I expect what you're going to see, whether it's today or tomorrow, you're going to see a failure. Now, bonds. What do we have with bonds? Okay. Bonds, the information that bonds are going to release the next few days is this. When we came off the high, we came off with some big volume, February 6th. Came down hard. Bonds reversed themselves on March 18th. We're building cause right now to basically test the February 6th downdraft. The bullish case would be you go sideways a few more days, you go into the swing point, and you go in with expanded volume. The bearish case is that you still build cause, you get into the swing point, and the swing up there at 129 flat out, you reject it. You reject it in light of volume and pull back, and that very well could be the longer change in bonds. So what are we looking at? I suspect you're going to get a lower market today. You are going to have lighter volume. Bottom line, that's setting up for a pop in the market coming into Wednesday, coming into Thursday. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking right back here at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.